What's up, Envy Beauty? Z is back, the CEO of Envy Cosmetic. Please excuse the hair, the looks and stuff. I had got my hair cut and everything, and I was supposed to make a video. And then progression came inside the door. I'm here now, so that's what all that matters.
Okay, let's get it now. I'm with a bad bitch. Sorry. I don't say hi, I say hey to the band. Me to the band.
So today in this video, we're gonna be getting into lash introduction. So basically, I would introduce all my lashes that I have made. Description of it, I would basically give like who I feel like the lashes is for. It's for everybody, but who it best fits. All that. If you want some nails, I got a fresh set. You get them off of my website, Envy Cosmetics. Go and get you some lashes and nails. So how this would work is I would basically show the lash, and I would give you some images, some videos and everything, and then I would just explain the lash and then tell you about the lash, what the lash is about, everything, all that good. So let me go to the phone. We're gonna show you the first lash. So the first lash we're gonna get into is called Thinner. Right? And Thinner is probably one of my Thinner is one of my top selling lash. Thinner is basically a lightweight girl. She's for the girls who don't like really too thick lash, but they like it a little bit natural. Just give it very much class and demeanor, you know, just not too much. Thinner is more of a 18 to 22 mm lash, so she's on the long side. And she is made with CC curl, DB curl, and D curl. They mix. So I feel like Thinner is giving more of on the thin side, but it still gives full, like give volume. Like it don't look crazy. And she is on the longer side, so she do start off at 18, which that's in the middle, I feel like, and it go up to 22, which, you know, it could be longer. And it's a CC curl. So if you don't know about the curl, so CC curl is not a deep curl. It give you a curl, but it's like more of a natural curl. DD curl is a deep curl. That's them heavy curl. That's the girl who like them curly lashes down. That's the curl. D curl, I love D curl. That's one of my best. These lashes are handmade, so I make them by hand. Basically, what it is lash extension, but just on strips. The same process as doing lash extension on somebody, but I feel like lash extension strips are more, I feel like, for people who don't want to be committed to it. I feel like lash extension strips are for people, well, let me rephrase that. Lash extension strips is for the girlies. For the girlies who don't want to be committed to it. It's for the girlies who actually don't want the glue actually on their lash. Then it's for the girlies who don't like to sit down too long, lay down too long. It's for the girlies who on a budget. It's for the girlies on a budget, the girlies who don't want to get their lashes refilled every 2 weeks. So basically, lash extension strips is basically the same thing, just on strips. Thinner lash, they are long lasting. They can last up to 2 to 3 months or more. It just depends on how you take care of your lashes. How you take care of your lashes, you gotta do the proper care. If y'all want a video on how to take care of your lashes, hit me up and I'll make a video immediately. Yeah. Y'all, this is my first video doing this. I thought I was gonna come in here, but as we keep doing the video, we gonna get more organized, more easy, more better. But for right now, this is our first video together for the lash introduction. We're gonna get better over time. If you messing with Lash Thinner and you like her, and then we go over to that website, get her a click, add her to the cart, and get it shipped to you.